The focus now is on match number 5. It's Rangpur Riders, the defending champions, with the challenge of the Hobart Hurricanes 11 for this contest at the toss. And you could understand the decision because there's a few rain clouds around. And for the Hurricanes 11, one change, Mobile Guyana Global Super League, match 5. First ball. And straight away. Nice firm push down the ground. Has enough power to go into the boundary line, so.
Catch it.
Over the top. Should be 4 again. And there's another one. First wicket for the Hobart Hurricanes 11. And it comes from the arm of Fabian Allen.
Well, it's not a great option. Oh, that's a lovely, lovely shot. What a great shot that is. Brilliant. Because it was quite full in the end. He did really well not to overstride.
Contributing to his dismissal. Glorious. Terrific stroke to start the over. Pressure now. Enough power to beat to mid-off. Typical of Kyle Mayers. It's... Was there an outside edge? Was there an outside edge on this one? We'll wait for the umpire to make the signal.
Teed off and it's gone. Keeper underneath it. What a catch! Outstanding grab, running away, looking back up over his shoulder. Fabian Allen.
I'm just not sure. Brilliant from Kyle Myers. What an area.
Oh, it's a big slash of that. The captain almost got a hand to it, but he'll run away. And O'Dean sees the... Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful, softer hands. Just guided that here. Used his feet. Yasir didn't quite get to it. And an easy catch. And Yasir, well, he got away earlier in Osama Mir.
From Osama. Oh.
Yeah, cracked away. Gorgeous, what a shot, really authoritative.
Now then, top edge. Should be taken in the deep. It is. It's routine. It's simple from Mohammed Nabi. Laurel never really.
Different jurisdictions, they get a chance to learn too. That's a real beauty. Unplayable. Ultra edge will confirm. And ultra edge.
Tabrez Shamsi, a lot of confidence because he'll be bowling second on this surface. Pumped. Now then, in the deep. Just about has the legs. Our side prospering. RCB. Oh, it's nicely cut. That's superb. Well, the 6 down the ground was powerful. That was precision. 11 off it. Below 85. Big grip. And that's slow and that's pumped. I'll tell you what, that little graphic there, that was below 85 kilometers. It's been absolutely smothered.
Now how about this for an effort from a
Complement of overs here. Now then, no timing whatsoever. It's a routine catch. 100th wicket in T20 cricket. That near that 160. Billy Stanlake. Oh my word, I love that shot, Darren Ganga. I really do enjoy a lefty thrashing one over cover. Oh, that's bad bowling. Yeah, and the cry of anguish from Billy Stanlake. That's out, must be out. Full, straight up.
Contact with the ground. Good luck to Hawkeye.
Clubbed away. Bit of a thick inner half of the bat, but it'll bring him 4 and it'll bring him past 4,000 runs in T20 cricket. Sliced away. There is protection in the deep. They should get back for a couple. They will get back for a couple. It will take them past the 150 mark. So the Rangpur Riders, who were asked to bat first, they brought in Ibrahim Zadran, Afghanistan opener, and he played nicely. 43. Lots and lots of spin we've seen here today from the Hobart Hurricanes 11. Billy Stanlake once again expensive.
Those Mayers. Tricky conditions, there you go. Mayers.
Now then, glove. I'm not sure the umpire, Chris Wright, was going to give that out. So I think Banuka Rajapaksa has bailed out the umpire. Flogged up and over the offside. What a good shot that is. Shot of a man in form. Lovely shot. Really good from Ben McDermott. Down the... Beautiful shot. Fantastic. Through the offside.
Unchaseable score, but these boys are up for it, you know. They've been showing a lot of energy, and in the first game.
Well, that's brilliant batting, because he went away to the leg side and Rakibul did it, moaning or questioning. Up and over the offside, brilliant. That is a wonderful shot. Up and over the offside, brilliant batting. Mac Wright, he gave it, Kyle Mayers the dummy. He hinted at coming. Cut away, poor bowling. It's not good bowling from Kyle Mayers. 50 comes up, he's bowling 3 in the power play. Not often you see a bowler get 3 in the power. Now then, lofted leg side, there's a man in the deep. Good cal of the bat. Substitute fielder in the deep. Good option from Jake Doran. Gets down on the paddle. Oh, what's happened there? What's happened there? Well, that's going to beat everyone and might go away all the way down the leg side for 5 wides. Now that's out, I think. Very straight. Yes. Dead straight stump. Here we go. Home of the truth. 3 reds.
I'm not sure he timed this. It should be an easy take. It is. Iftikhar again. More success for the Rangpur Riders. Doran will be disappointed with that. Oh, simple as you like. Enticing a West Indian big bat. It's like a red rag to a bull. Flat. Down the ground, and it's 6 runs.
Box in.
Floated and whacked. He went above the eye line to Bray Shamsi. We'll ask him about that later on in the comms box. Oh.
Stumps. And he would have had him. Edge. This time from Nabi. An edge for 4. This is exactly the sort of over that they were looking for. Impetus.
And the little one, she also wants to get involved. Yeah, Yasmin, tell me who your favorite players are.
I like Travis Head, Pat Cummins, Alex Carey for the Australian team.
Now then, splice of the bat. Big boundary. Ibrahim Zadran in the deep. Does go full and gets punished. Why go full when shorter into the surface has been so clubbed into the deep? What a catch! Unbelievable way to sub-fielder Mohammad Saif Hassan. Once again, Khalid Ahmed delivers a catch in the deep, and just when you felt pace on, top of off stump, and Khalid Ahmed has delivered a crushing blow.
Middle of the bat on the ball. Oh, oh wow. Omazai, who Nabi knows well, has dragged the ball down. I think he's trying to take pace off, and it looks...
Down the ground, there's a man in the deep. Can you get there? Oh my word! Can you believe it? Evergreen Ifty. He was so nifty. Comes down to the last ball of the game. Pump down the ground. Big Billy, use those legs. Can you get back for two? Ifty's the fielder. He's run out. Rangpur Riders win. A nail-biter. Outstanding composure from Iftikhar Ahmed, who took a great catch to get rid of Nabi, and then a bullet throw to affect the run out. Big Billy Stanley couldn't get back, and the Riders have snuck home by one.
Rangpur Riders just do not know when they're beaten. Brilliant piece of tactical play from Omazai in this last over. And Iftikhar, with all his experience, picked the ball up cleanly at mid-off and got it into that man, Omazai, who took it cleanly just above the stumps